Hi guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox another smartwatch, which is the iWoo 13 or the N76 Smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and yes, we are back with unboxing with the smartwatch. It took me a little time to unbox, guys, because I just wanted to take some time out. Alright, so now we are back. Okay, we have here the iWoo 13 or the N76 smartwatch, and you can get this one, guys, at Shopee for around 1,134 pesos. Yes, guys. Alright, and this is N76 smartwatch series 7. Yes. Alright, so here is the box, guys. So as you can see, we have here this 7 branding here, and this design of the smartwatch itself. And on the sides, so we have nothing, and at the bottom we have here series 7 space aluminum case, and that's 4 millimeters. And on top, so we have here the color, which is the black one. Alright, and at the back, guys, so we have here the quick specifications. Now, guys, without further ado, let's open it. Alright, so upon opening, guys, we have here the manual, so operating instructions. So if you have any questions about your watch, just refer to the manual. Okay, and then we have the watch itself in black. Alright, so let's set this aside. And then we have here the charging cable. So it says here, guys, it's wireless charging. So here it is, and all you have to do is just place the watch like that and it will charge. Okay, so now, guys, let's take a look at the watch. So we have here the plastic here. It says there hello. So let's take this one out. Alright, and okay, so this is now the front of the watch, guys, and on the side, so we have here the speaker grill. Yes, here. And on the right, so we have here the crown to navigate, and we have here another button. We will find out this function as well. And at the back, so we have here the sensors, and the strap, we have here the silicone. So let's turn it on, guys. So let's long press the crown. Alright, so it vibrates and it has this sound, guys. Okay, and we have here the watch face, which is, wow, Rolex. Wow, that's pretty nice. It's my first time to see that kind of watch face in a smartwatch. Alright, so let's try to swipe down, guys, or scroll down. Okay, so we have here the shortcut. You can see there the day and the date and the Bluetooth call settings. We have here the shortcut for the screen brightness, and we have here some application business business card with QR code. All right, and okay, we have here collection code is currently bound. So wow, I'm not so sure about that one, guys. And it has also Alipay. Wow. Okay, bind my phone, so you can use this with Alipay. Alright, and when we swipe up, guys, so it will take us to the message shortcut, and when we swipe to the right, then it will change the watch face. And also when we swipe to the left, then it will also change the watch face. So now, guys, let's count how many watch faces it has. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, wow, that's a lot of watch faces, guys. We have here 10 watch faces. Now let's try to navigate the app, the smartwatch, guys. So let's try to when you also try to move the crown, then it will also change to other watch faces. Okay, and when we tap this one here, okay, this button here, this is for the menu. Okay, Okay, this is for the menu. And if you want to change style, guys, of the grid, so you can just double tap this one here, like that. Okay, so that's easy, guys. So it depends on what you want. Okay, and if we have this kind of style, guys, the bubble kind of launcher, then when we try to move the scroll the crown, okay, and it will rotate the crown, it will zoom in and also zoom out. Wow, that's pretty nice. Okay, but in our case, so let's just use this style here so that we can easily navigate to the application. Then we have here heart rate, guys. Okay, yeah, look, as you can see there, the sensors are lighting up. But just a reminder, guys, I don't recommend you to rely on this function, especially if you have medical conditions. Okay, we have here SpO2 as well. Okay, this measures your oxygen level. And we have here blood pressure. Yes, so this is very controversial, so I don't recommend you use this for medical purposes. We can't really rely on the sensors. We have here outdoor sports, outdoor running, outdoor cycling. Okay, so sit-ups, on-foot mountaineering, and other sports. Okay, we also have here indoor activities, so indoor running and swimming pool, or like swimming. And we have here phone, so you need to connect this one to your smartphone for it to use. And data. Okay, we have here sleep monitoring, met, or like the record, breathe. Okay, this is what I like, especially in a smartwatch, to have this kind of function. This is one of my favorites, guys. Yes. And we have here weather. Okay, what else? Stopwatch. Okay, you can use this one. And the camera, this is the Bluetooth remote control. Music control. Okay, this is just a control, guys. You cannot download any music in the smartwatch itself. We have here countdown, pressure. So this is like maybe your record. Okay, and message. We also have here settings. In the settings, we have here dimming. So this is like to change the brightness of your screen. Okay, we have here screen time off. Like how long do you want your screen to be turned on. Okay, and raise to your wrist. So this is like when you turn it on, when you raise the watch, then it will light up. Then do not disturb mode, sound and vibration, you can customize in here. Language settings. Okay, I have English. And connect mobile, so you can scan this QR code for you to connect it to your watch. Okay, let me know, guys, if you want me to make a tutorial on how to connect or on how to change the time or set the time on this smartwatch. Okay, and then we have your password, so you can put the password there. We also have here restore factory settings, shutdown. Okay, so those are the functions of this smartwatch, guys. So in my opinion, guys, what I like about this smartwatch is that it has lots of watch faces, and as you can see, the crown is perfectly working. So that's one thing that I like as well. And but overall, guys, I don't see a big difference with this smartwatch compared to another watch that we had in the past. Okay, and then aside from that, we also have here the wireless charging, which is a good thing. Yes, and this is just my initial opinion, guys, or initial review about this smartwatch. I will be using this watch for a couple of weeks, and I will let you know about the battery's performance and also its performance while we are using this one in synchronizing to our phone. Yes, but in my initial review, guys, for the price of 1,000 This is not bad. So guys, just let me know your opinion about this smartwatch. Is it a good buy or not? Okay, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.